cats are cold? In today's video, we will prove that it's just a myth with cute moments of cats showing love to their humans. Let's go. If a cat remembers you and wants to be near you whenever he sees you, you're the chosen one. Perks of having a big nose. Your cat can grab it to kiss you. When both of you are having a bad day and just want a few peaceful moments together.
You're a good boy. You're a good boy.
Be thankful when cat stands on her feet to hug you. Mom, why do you have to make up? You're already the most beautiful girl in this world to me. When it's bedtime and your cat still wants to be near you.
Me tengo que parar. ¿Por qué eres tan intenso? ¿Por qué? Porque eso, Déjese. Corra ese pancake.
Hugging is believed to help us relieve stress, so hug your cotton balls more. No matter what Daddy's doing, Cat's job is to be near him. This cold could never bother any of them when they're together. Give Mom a body massage to help her relax her muscle after a long day at work. Find someone who looks at you the way this man looks at his cat. Look at the hug my cat gives me every morning. She's such a cute. When cat lovers' boss asks them why they're late for work, show the boss this video. The best place to sleep must be on Daddy's chest. I've never been so proud of my big tummy until I saw that cats love soft things. Part-time veterinarian, full-time cat lover be like, Look how happy both of them are when they get to be with each other. Cats always touch Grandma in the most gentle way, and Grandma could always feel their love. To all the dads who pretend they don't like cats, we know you're just pretending. A night can't be perfect without your cotton ball in your arms. Having the love of a cat is as great as having the whole world. Cats are said to be the gift from above, and cat lovers always believe that. This cat will sure be this baby's soulmate when they're born.
Hi guys, can I have a hug? Oh, thank you. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Baba. What's wrong? What happened? You missed me that much today? Oh, you're so sweet. And then look at this other one.
The measure cats will take to get your attention is unimaginable.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Mom is taking a selfie. Gotta get in the frame with her right now. The way Cat quietly follows her human just for a kiss. Soulmates have their secret way of communication. We can't understand, but we can feel their bond. This orange ball can't sleep without his best friend beside. So here's the fact: cats love humans. Do you agree? If you do, please give us a subscribe right now. Thank you.